Today we're in Bradford, part of the west area of Yorkshire. Yorkshire Water has 4.8 million domestic and commercial customers. Prior to April 2010, water meters used to be read manually, and this gave us a big problem in terms of the fact that we had health and safety issues, social issues, and a varying degree of difficulty in accessing those properties. Itron chosen as part of the tender process, and it was based around the reliability of all their products and the ability to supply an end-to-end process.
AMR has made the job more easier, quicker and more efficient in my role. Something now, reading-wise, only takes a couple of seconds as compared to what it used to take maybe a minute or 2 minutes, which probably means that they do need less meter readers. Two of our colleagues have been retrained and move over to leakage. It's a lot less strenuous for us, so saves on the kneecaps and on the backs. We're spending a lot more time up, so I suppose the longevity of the job increases as well because we're not all going to be retiring early with bad backs.
So we are reading data much more quickly and getting information in that tells us how much we will be billing customers, and that accuracy of cash flow information enables much better informed business decisions in terms of where our investment can be, where our financial challenges are. We can get daily, weekly, monthly flow consumption data that tells us pattern of usage, which enables us to better predict where we need to produce water, and that helps us manage our energy costs more efficiently and more effectively.
The partnership that we form with Itron allows us to move forward with real benefits on automating our meters.
I can see any leakage of which it goes back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 months, and it's telling me that there's no leakage there. I can check the backflow to make sure the water is going through the right way through the meter, and I can also check the customer's consumption.
And that data then is brought into our billing system, and then that system generates customer bills. But it not only generates the bill, highlight where there's been excessive consumption or where the meters never ever stop, and that enables us to have a conversation with the customer about how they're using water, how they can reduce their consumption and ultimately reduce their bill. Because it's a bill, it's unlikely that any customer is happy to get a bill, but the bill they do get, they're happy that it's the right bill.
Yorkshire Water are the 9th biggest water utility in the world, and the deployment will be over 1.1 million automated meters. This will be one of the biggest deployment of AMR across the world.